This is our second video lecture of class 7th science, process of digestion in ruminants. In this module, let us learn about the process of digestion in ruminants. Cow and buffaloes are the common example of ruminants. Cow and buffaloes or other grass eating animals chewing continuously even when they are not eating. Actually, they quickly swallow the grass and stored in it a part of a stomach is called rumen. Okay, this is the rumen. The partially digested food in rumen is called curd. But the curd later returned to the mouth in small lumps and the animal chews it. The process is called rumination and these animals are called ruminants. Okay? The grass is rich in cellulose, a type of carbohydrate in ruminants like cattle, deer, etc. Bacteria present in rumen helps in digestion of cellulose. Many animals, including humans, cannot digest cellulose. Animals like horse, rabbit, etc. have large sac-like structure called cecum between the esophagus and the small intestine. The cellulose food is digested here by the action of certain bacteria which are not present in humans. This is the bacteria. Okay. So you have learnt about animals which possess the digestive system, but there are many small organisms which do not have a mouth and a digestive system. Then how do they acquire the digest food? In the section below you will learn another interesting way of food intake. Digestion in amoeba. In this module, let us learn about the process of feeding and digestion in amoeba. Amoeba is a microscopic single-celled organism which is found in the pond water. Amoeba has a cell membrane, a round dense nucleus and many small bubble-like vacuoles. In its cytoplasm, amoeba continuously changes its shape and position. See, it pushes out one or more finger-like projections called pseudopodia or false feet for the movement and to capture the food. Amoeba feeds on some microscopic organism. When it senses food particle, it pushes out pseudopodia around the food particle and engulf it. The food gets trapped in a food vacuole. Digestive juice are secreted in the food vacuole. They act on the food and break it down into simpler substance, and the digested food is absorbed. The absorbed substance are used for growth, maintenance and multiplication. The undigested residue of the food is expelled out by the vacuoles. The basic process of digestion of food and release of energy is the same in all animals. In the later chapter, you will learn about the transport of food absorbed by the intestine to the various part of the body. Thank you.